everybody, and welcome back to Bob and Kelly's Martini Monday.
Where we are mixing up a brand new martini for you guys every single Monday of the year.
Yeah, and this is December.
It is December, so Merry Christmas, everyone.
Happy holidays,
yes,
everyone.
if you are celebrating
any type of holiday. It doesn't matter, because you do you.
That's right.
And that's all that matters.
That's right.
Yes.
So, this is our second holiday martini of December.
Yeah.
So what are we making today?
Today we are going to do the ode to Mama Claus.
Mama Claus.
Yes.
You know, because Mrs. Claus, she probably does a whole lot of stuff behind the scenes.
Come on, baking cookies, wrangling elves.
Yeah.
Holy Moses.
Dealing with Santa.
Yeah, that's the worst part.
That's the worst part.
Yeah.
So about this time, Mrs. Claus, she needs a cocktail.
She needs a cocktail and a beach.
That's right.
I'm sure.
And probably a guy in a Speedo too, but we're not talking about that.
Ew.
My eyes.
Take that away.
Okay.
Anyway.
So what are we going to make today?
We're going to make a play on a Cosmo, and we're going to call it the Mrs. ClauseMo.
Mrs. ClauseMo,
so
exactly.
So the only thing we're changing on a regular Cosmo is we're going to put orange juice instead of lime juice
That's
in it.
right. That's right.
And a little more cranberry.
Yeah.
Because Mrs. Claus loves red.
She does. You know, she lives with red all around her.
She is a red kind of gal.
Yeah, she is. So we are going to do that, and we're going to use some fancy new martini glasses that we got. Check those bad boys out.
Man,
from our
these
friend,
are so cool.
From our friend Miss Jan.
Yes. Thank you, Miss Jan. You're so awesome.
For these glasses. They are...
If I ever need bling, you're the one I'm coming to.
But these are very fitting for Mrs. Claus drink.
Yes, they are. Because Mrs. Claus needs, she's got to bring a little bling.
She does.
Because you know what?
Yeah.
Santa, hello.
She brings some bling
He's
to the
all
yard.
worried about everybody else. He's worried about everybody else.
Yeah. She deserves some spice in her life.
She does. Excuse me. Pardon me. We forgot one ingredient.
Oh my goodness. Us forget? Imagine that.
Never happens.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to need 4 ounces of good old vodka.
Vodka, my favorite way to start a martini.
Oh, isn't that the truth? I was about to pour it in the glasses. I was about to pour it in the glasses, but you know what? I stopped myself, so...
2.
2.
And 4.
4.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
So the next thing we're gonna need is some orange liqueur.
Orange liqueur.
We're gonna, like you said, replace this with
triple sec.
Triple sec.
Because
it's basically the same thing, right?
It kind of is. Triple sec is an orange flavored liqueur, but this is a local product for us. It's Lee Spirits. Lee Spirits, if you ever watch us, we love you guys.
Yeah, and it's clear, so it's really not going to change the color of the drink too much.
Yeah. So
2 ounces of
2 ounces of orange liqueur. Don't you think?
I like that little.
The word liqueur is kind of weird.
Yes. We need 1 ounce of orange juice.
1 ounce of orange juice, just your regular old fresh squeezed.
Yes.
Fresh squeezed orange juice.
When you can. If you can't, just go for the.
Hey, that was 1 ounce. So anyway,
1 ounce of orange juice.
And we need 2 ounces,
2 ounces of cranberry
juice. Cranberry juice.
Yeah. 2 ounces.
Actually, we're gonna do 3.
Are we? Okay. Because you're looking at the color.
Yes.
Okay.
I want it a little more red.
We're gonna adjust on the fly.
On the fly.
Wow.
3 ounces.
Okay.
Put on the top, and
guess who's gonna shake today?
Mrs. Claus.
Mrs. Claus is gonna shake.
Shake it until it's really nice and cold, and your fingers start to turn blue. Are we turning blue yet?
Not yet.
Okay. Because, shaking has 2 purposes. It dilutes the drink as well as cools it.
All right, I think we're good.
Yeah, look at that nice frost on the shaker.
Frost on the shaker.
Frost on the shaker. Here we go. And since we have orange juice in here,
you're going to double strain?
I am going to double strain.
Okay, you don't want to get any pulp in your nice pretty drink.
No, because we're got a special thing we're going to add to it.
That's right.
Now, how's that color for you?
That is beautiful. Nice and pink. I love it.
It actually looks like a Cosmo.
It does. I'm going to show you guys here in just a second because we lost our close-up cam.
We did.
So hang on a second. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Nice and pink. Look at that. That is beautiful. So
That's
it's got
gorgeous.
like a little bit of orange much to it, but it's got that pink.
It's a little more dense because
Yeah.
of the orange juice. It's
Just
not
a little
really
bit.
clear, but then I shook it, so that kind of gives it, well, Kelly shook it.
Yeah.
That gives it a little more of a frothy.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do to spice this up even just a little bit more, you know, because Mrs. Claus, she needs some bling.
Like I said, you
in
gotta
her
bring
life.
the bling.
Yes, we're gonna use some edible glitter. Yes. So this is, you can see that.
What color is that?
That is edible glitter. It is gold.
Cool.
Edible glitter that you can get from the A to Z place.
Is that where we got it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I ordered it from the A to Z place. And I'm just gonna kind of take this, the back of a spoon here, and scoop it out, just so I don't get my fingers in there. And I'm just gonna take my fingers from here.
Because you know, anybody knows that glitter, God, glitter sticks to everything.
Glitter sticks to everything.
Even
So I'm just gonna kind of make it snow.
make it snow,
Just
make
a
it
little
snow,
bit.
make it snow.
There we go.
I think you should like mix it up
Well,
after you glitter it.
we're gonna glitter it and then mix it up a little bit.
Okay.
I did get some on the towel, but
Yeah, but here, check it out.
yeah.
Check out the
That's so
glitter.
pretty, isn't it? So then we're gonna, do you want to stir it up now?
Yeah, stir it.
Okay, we're gonna stir it. Woo, look at that. Beautiful.
Now the glitter is like all up in there.
Now we have the glitter all up in there.
You know, it's funny, these cameras, you can change the viewfinders, and Kelly's like, what?
Whoa, I know.
Okay.
It's like a roller coaster.
It's a roller coaster.
All right, we're gonna take a couple quick photos and we will be
Right back.
Oh wait,
What?
let's garnish these
Garnish
bad boys.
that.
Okay, so what goes better with orange than
Chocolate.
So we have made these cute skewers. This is a Santa hat Hershey's Kiss. This is a naked Hershey's Kiss. We're gonna plunk it in the bottom.
Oh man.
If it'll,
It's not gonna hold it down.
darn it. Okay, let's do it
Let's
like
do
this.
that.
We're gonna do that so that you can dunk it
And then eat it.
and eat it all at the same time.
Yes.
It'll taste like a chocolate.
Because like I said, this is real life, people.
This is real life, people. Get rid of that towel.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's take some pictures.
Okay.
All right, let's
Here we
taste
go.
these bad boys.
Let's taste it.
Okay,
I'm gonna do this.
look at that up close. Can you see the glitter in there?
Isn't it beautiful?
That's so pretty. That's lovely.
Lovely.
Okay, you're gonna do the chocolate dip first.
I want to eat the chocolate.
Okay, chocolate and then drink.
And then I'm gonna drink this pretty drink.
That's delicious.
That is like so good.
What, the chocolate? Holy cow. That's yummy.
Eat chocolate.
You'll be happier if you do. I promise.
That's really good.
That's delicious.
Yes.
Okay. I have to tell you a secret, you guys. This is round 2.
Round 2.
The first one we made, it was good.
Oh my God, I didn't pour it even. I'm sorry.
You're stealing my drink.
There,
That's
even.
not the way to do it,
Oh, it's not.
thiever. We made it the first one, it was too orange. This one is more of a
This is more of a
orange.
pink color.
Can you see that?
We're gonna do this. Are you ready?
Da-da-da.
Because I love
The glitter is
I love the
amazeballs.
glitter on there.
Yes.
That is so pretty.
Yes. It's amazing.
This is really cool.
I love the glitter.
Okay, this drink to me is the perfect.
It says holidays.
And it says, Merry Christmas
Y'all.
to you. Y'all, I like that.
Yes, and the cool thing is there's still one more chocolate on the end.
Please don't eat the wrapper.
No, you gotta unwrap it first. But yes, this is lovely.
But if you eat the wrapper, we know you need to turn your keys over to somebody else.
That's right.
Yep.
I like this one much better than the first version.
Oh,
that
I
we
do
made.
too.
Yeah,
It's so much better.
it is.
See, and that's what's great about real life.
Is what?
Most of the time you can correct it.
That's right. Most of the time.
You can. And so, and if you can't, don't worry about it.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's all good.
okay.
So,
Dip your thing. Dip your thing in your drink, and you're good to go. Happy Christmas, you guys.
oops.
Okay. Yeah.
This Christmas party got interesting. My thing has been dipped.
Oh my.
Oh my. Are we ready for this to be over?
Okay. All right. You can talk because I got a mouthful of chocolate.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button because it really does help us
It does.
to bring you more lovely content like this.
Right. Messed up or not.
Yeah. And if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you'll know every time we post.
Yeah, and please also give us a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed our video because it does help us out a whole bunch.
Or a thumbs down, I don't care.
Yeah, whatever you prefer.
The more you drink, you don't care.
It's all good.
It's got good legs.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you're having an amazing holiday season. Stay safe out there. Take care. We will see you next week.
With another holiday-inspired cocktail.
Woo! All right. Love you guys.
Love you,
Have
bye.
a great day. Love you, bye.